Hi guys! In this lesson, we will populate interiors with assets and people using ForestPack plugin. Here are the models we will be using. Furniture models are provided by Evermotion, and you will find them in your working files. You can use people from Render People or Humano 3D, which you downloaded before. I will organize the furniture a bit. Now let's attach everything together. I will add a sitting person to the desk. Scale the chair to fit. Let's see how it looks. I will attach everything together. Let's rename the object for furniture reference. Now we will populate the models in the interiors. I will add a plane with the size of the floor and copy it to each level. Let's hide the floors model. I will add a ForestPack object to the first floor and add all the models in the geometry panel. I will increase the unit value to decrease density. In the display settings, I will use color ID. The models will be displayed in the color shown in the geometry rollout. Then add all the other planes. Check the randomized stacked option to get a different distribution on each floor. We have some models going outside the model boundary. Let me show you how to fix this. Let's create a rectangle slightly larger than the floor plan. Then copy it and make it a bit smaller than the floor plan. Convert it to a editable poly and attach the larger rectangle. In the area rollout, add a spline area and pick the rectangles. Change the type to exclude. Now all the models inside the spline will be excluded. You can adjust it by moving the vertices. I will add another rectangle and repeat this operation for the structure inside the building. Next, in the distribution rollout, I will change the image to full and adjust the density. It will create a more even distribution, which is more suitable for office space. Now we will add some empty spaces in between models. Add a new item and call it null. Use the disabled option. We just have to decrease the probability of other objects to adjust how many empty spaces we have. I will set it to 10%. Let's see how it looks in the camera view. Because we have a dynamic perspective, we don't see a lot of the interior. I will adjust the splines to have more object closer to the windows. I will make the places invisible in render to avoid overlapping surfaces. Let's unhide the building model and see how it looks rendered. I will increase the probability of models to have more going on. I have too many people, and you can clearly see repetitions, so I will decrease the probability of them. Let's see how it looks with glass. You cannot see much, but you can see that something is there, which was the goal of this lesson. You can also reuse this ForestPack object in your future projects. See you in the next lesson.